Welcome to the Leaders in Tech podcast. We talk with top CIOs, CTOs, and industry leaders to learn how they leverage technology to grow their business.
Welcome to the Leaders in Tech podcast. I am your host, David Mancilla. Today, we're going to talk about the software development play in order to maximize the profits of an organization. As everybody knows, the software revolution in the last 30 years has enabled the entire business industries to grow exponentially. As a result, we have multi-billion-dollar corporations that actually tend to run the internet. Companies like Google, like Apple, like Microsoft, like Oracle. These corporations have added amazing value to the world by creating their own custom platforms. Those platforms now became software as a service. Now, the SaaS model, what is that? So software as a service was something that was invented by a company that was a spin-off of Oracle. The company, as everybody might know it today, is called Salesforce. The founder of Salesforce, he had this idea that people should only pay for what they consume as far as a software package goes. Before Salesforce came into play, what the people used to buy software in the following format. A company, let's say they have an accounting package or an ERP package. They will come and they will sell you the licenses for the package, depending on how many per users you have, per user per seat. And then after you had a big bulk cost at the beginning, they will give you a small percentage per year to do maintenance. That was between 10 and 25%, depending on the software package. The problem with that was that it was a lot of investment to begin with upfront. And the company, the customers didn't even know whether their software was going to be successful for them or not. So they will be trapped in a product without them really realizing the profits or the benefits of the product. So the genius of Salesforce was creating the concept of the cloud. Basically, the cloud is just the internet. It's just servers that run on the internet. So everything started to move to the cloud, and also everything started to be sold on a monthly service fee. So instead of purchasing the license of the product and you owning that license, now what you do is you lease the product for a small per user per month fee. That allows the smaller companies, allows them to save tremendous amount of money because they don't have to buy super expensive software packages. And also for bigger corporations, they can actually get into this ERP software or different types of software in a much sustainable way. And they basically the monthly fees includes the maintenance. So you don't have to worry about paying for maintenance at the end of the year. And it took about 10, 15 years for this to become the norm. And now this is the norm. For example, if you have a Microsoft Outlook account or an Office 365 account, or if you have a Google email account, that's the way it works. You pay a small fee every month for every user. Now, this is the revolution as far as the financial transactions goes, but I want to focus more in this time on the importance of custom software development. If you think about it, every software package started as a custom software development. Every ERP, Oracle ERP or Microsoft Dynamics, every big software package started as an idea that somebody had that hired developers and created an architecture and delivered something that added value to a business. We have many software packages today. I actually run a company that builds software packages for other companies. Now, when clients come to me with an idea of writing software for them, I always tell them that we're going to do a research in the market to see if there is a package already that is supplying the needs that they are looking for to write with their own software. Why do I do that? Well, writing a custom software package is not an easy undertaking. It's a very hard thing to do. And that's why many of my competitors have gone out of business. We have been in business for over 17 years now. We're going to be 18 years pretty soon this year. And like I said, 99% of our competition, when we started, they went out of business. And it's because running a software project that is customized is one of the hardest things in the industry. Why? Well, imagine if companies like Google and Microsoft have problems building their own packages, imagine a smaller scale software product. It's hard. And the fact that the software is not tangible creates the illusion in the client's idea that if you push a button, everything can change rapidly. And it's not the case. In fact, I always make a reference of writing software architecture and building custom software solutions as building brick and mortar structures, like a high-rise building or like a house or a shopping mall. It's as hard as that, and it's as complicated as that. So what happens at the end is that people end up creating more scope for the software they wanted to write. And this scope, if it's not managed properly, it could either delay the project and run over cost, or it could actually kill the project. A lot of the companies, if they stick to the original estimation and they are not flexible to make changes, when the product is finished, it's not what the client needed, therefore the project is killed. So as a result, a lot of software projects go sour. And this is one of the skills that we have in ISU Corp. One of the skills is we have been able to manage and create a project management process on how to actually create maximum value for our clients by building custom solutions only after we realize that there is nothing in the market that is sold as a package, as a software as a service, that can supply their needs. So building custom software solutions is incredible. It can make a company unlimited wealth. We have made many, many wealthy companies with the software solutions that we provide for them, but it's not an easy undertaking, and it's also not cheap. So if you are always thinking, what can I write to solve my problem? My advice is look for something that is already in the market that can solve it for you so you can pay a small fee per month. Or if you really find a niche, then find a reputable software company that has done it for many, many years, that has higher rankings in professional standards to run the software for you so it can be run on time and under budget. And with that, I'll see you next time. Thank you for being here.
Thank you for tuning in to the Leaders in Tech podcast. Check in next week to keep learning how to use technology and leadership to change the game. See you next time.